Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasySpeak English Podcast. I'm John. Today we have a useful topic, talking about yesterday.
Hi everyone, I'm Judy. This is a great topic because everyone has a story from yesterday.
Exactly. So, listeners, think for a moment. What did you do yesterday? Judy, let me ask first.
Well, yesterday was nice. I woke up at 7 and made a cup of coffee.
7. That sounds early for me. What did you do next?
I ate eggs and toast. Then I went for a short walk near my home.
That sounds relaxing. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. I listened to music and enjoyed the fresh air.
Nice. Listeners, did you notice those verbs? Woke up, made, ate, went, listened.
Exactly. Stories help us remember grammar more naturally.
Good point. So what happened after your walk?
I came home and cleaned my apartment. I washed dishes and organized my desk.
That sounds productive. My desk never stays organized for very long.
I understand. Cleaning feels good, but it does not last forever.
Very true. What did you do in the afternoon?
I visited my friend. We drank tea and talked for a long time.
That sounds great. Have you ever noticed that simple conversations make people happier?
I agree. Sometimes talking is better than spending all day on videos.
Exactly. Now my turn. Yesterday was slower for me.
Oh, tell us. What did you do?
I woke up late and drank tea. I stayed in bed a little longer.
That sounds familiar. What did you eat?
I ate fruit and yogurt. It was simple and healthy.
Nice. That sounds like a good breakfast.
It worked well for me.
What did you do after breakfast?
I read a mystery book for a while.
Nice. Reading is relaxing.
Then I exercised for 20 minutes.
Really? How was it?
The first minutes were difficult, but after that I felt better.
I know that feeling. Exercise gives energy.
Exactly. Then I had lunch and watched a funny movie.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, I did. It helped me relax.
That sounds like a good afternoon.
Maybe. I think simple days are nice too. Listeners, what about you? Did you watch anything yesterday?
Good question. And remember something important.
When we make negatives, we use didn't plus the normal verb.
Right. We say, I didn't cook, not I didn't cooked.
Good job. Small grammar changes make a big difference.
Now let's practice questions.
We use did to ask about the past.
For example, did you study English yesterday?
Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I did. About 30 minutes.
Very good. Did you buy anything?
No, I didn't. I tried to save money.
That sounds smart. Saving money is always helpful.
I try my best.
And remember, mistakes are normal.
Exactly. Every mistake teaches something.
Today, we practiced talking about yesterday and using the past tense.
Now tell us your answer.
What did you do yesterday?
Write your story in the comments. We would love to hear about your day.
And before we finish, let's do one more small practice together.
That sounds like a good idea.
Listeners, think about yesterday one more time.
Try answering with only 3 simple sentences.
For example, I woke up early. I worked. I watched a movie.
Or, I stayed home. I cooked dinner. I listened to music.
Simple answers are great because they build confidence.
Exactly. You do not need difficult words to speak good English.
Small sentences can become great conversations.
And remember, speaking every day is better than studying for many hours one time.
That is true. Small daily practice can create big progress.
Maybe today, after this episode, tell somebody about your yesterday.
Or speak to yourself in English for 1 minute.
It sounds simple, but it really helps.
And if you make mistakes, do not stop.
Keep talking and keep trying.
Because practice is more important than being perfect.
Exactly. Learning English should feel natural and comfortable.
And we are happy to practice with you every day.
Thank you for listening to EasySpeak English Podcast.
We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself, because every small step matters.
And don't forget, tomorrow at 7 p.m., we'll be back with another interesting episode.
See you tomorrow at 7 p.m.